Yeah, all right. Well, good distinction there. Let's bring in Kelly Hyman, trial attorney. She is joining us from Denver, Colorado to join our discussion. And let's talk about this witness. This is the expert witness brought on by the state of Minnesota. And Chanley, this is the latest of a series of experts, some qualified or none qualified, but all giving their opinion, a lot of them. And these are from trainers all the way to the chief of police in Minneapolis, and now you have Jody Steiger.
Yes, and he is the first, like you said, qualified expert before the jury, offered as an expert. What stood out to me the most, Ted, is this is his first time to ever offer testimony as a use of force paid expert in his career. Here, the biggest trial in decades, and he's the expert on use of force, which is at the heart of this case. It's the central issue of this case, the prosecution's theory. So that stood out to me as his lack of experience, but yet he's making a lot of points for really both sides so far.
Yeah. Kelly Hyman, let's start with where we just left off, cross-examination. Eric Nelson seems to be telling a narrative through this witness about what happened through Derek Chauvin's eyes.
No, absolutely. You bring up a really good point. Defense counsel is doing a very good job with this witness, telling a story and kind of asking him the questions. And do you agree with this? And it'll be interesting to see what ultimately happens and what determination is made. But he's definitely getting some points on this witness.
Yeah. And yesterday, of course, the state, and this morning, the state was able to bring out this expert opinion. And the expert opinion was pretty clear that in his opinion, excessive force was used, and there were many alternatives that Derek Chauvin could have used and did not. We're getting to that point now in the cross where in the narrative, we're at that point where he's going to have to ask him about what happened after he was unconscious, et cetera. We're going to see how Eric Nelson handles that. After the court resumes, we're going to step aside, take a break as we approach the top of the hour. And again, as soon as the jury's back in, we'll get you back in as well. You're watching Court TV, your front row seat to justice.